General Motors is confirming that 26,000 salaried personnel are eligible for bonuses that will average between 4% and 16% of their base pay. The top 1% of executives may get bonuses of as much as 50% of their salary. The GM white-collar retirees who lost their health care and life insurance in the bankruptcy say the payouts sound awfully high.
The concern that I would have is that less than 2 years ago, we were all informed that we were going to be participating in shared sacrifices. Now I'm hoping that as salaried retirees that we're also going to be able to participate in the sharing in the prosperity.
Chrysler executives are expected to get an average of $10,000, with a small number eligible for up to half of their pay, while blue-collar workers will get $750.
We're not getting that much, and we make the parts, we make the trucks. They don't, they're overhead, so they shouldn't get quite as much. And they make the decisions that are good or bad for this company, and a lot of them in the past have been bad.
We work overtime, we get our overtime. They come into work, they don't know what time they're going home some days, and they put in the extra effort. Yeah, I'd like to see more in our pockets, but those guys did have a little bit coming.
I talked with a former General Motors bondholder, and he's very upset about these bonuses. He said they lost virtually everything during the bankruptcy, and for GM to give these bonuses now is a slap in the face. In Warren, I'm Mary Conway, Channel 7 Action News.
Thank you.